myself. So, in the last chapter we have studied about the pause and means. Now we are going with the lesson about myself, home and our family. So all of you open page number 150. Page number 150. Here it is knowing myself. Knowing myself. What is knowing myself? Knowing myself means about me. I should know who am I, what am I doing, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು, ನನಗೇನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಯಾರು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ worksheet part for you all. Knowing myself. Hi, my name is so and so. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. You have to write your names completely with surname. Then I am 6 years old, 7 years old, 8 years old. You have to write. You are already in second standard and you have to just mention it as I am 8 years old now. Last year I was 7 years old. ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ ನನಗೆ 7 ವರ್ಷ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು 8 ವರ್ಷದವಳು ಅಥವಾ 8 ವರ್ಷದವಳು ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಈಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಈಟ್? ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಚಪಾತಿ, ರೋಟಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಡಿಶಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ವೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ವೇರ್? ಜೀನ್ಸ್, ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ಸ್, anything what you wear in your dresses, it is of your own choice. I like to play carom, indoor games or outdoor games. Anything can be written whichever you are interested. I am studying in class second. There are many children in my class. Or there are 30 children in my class. You can even prefer the number in your class. My class teacher's name is Dash. The name of my school is Prerna English Medium School. This is Palak and Raj School. It is not Palak, it is Palak. You have to read the name as Palak. Color it as you wish. So, here there is a school building shown in the textbook. Color it neatly. Don't color it in a hurry burry. On the page number 151, you have to color at home. So color it. Dash are my some of, and here down you write some of your friends' name. They have given 3 places till 3 persons' name, friends' name. We do many things together. We have a lot of fun. I am a happy child. Living together. So knowing myself is about your self-introduction. So if you go out, someone will ask you about yourself. So at that time, you have to just introduce yourself. That my name is Sheetal Gomadi. When I am introducing myself, I am working for Prerna School. I am working as an assistant teacher. I am from Munvalli. So this is my introduction. So when you give your introduction, say your name, in which class you are studying, which school you go, where you live or where you come from. If you are a localite, you say I am from Munvalli. If you are outstation, then you should say I am from Shirsangi. That is outstation. So this is all about knowing yourself. That is, you have many friends. How many friends you have? What all are your hobbies? What you like to do when you are free? So you can give briefly about your introduction. So do the page number 150 and 151. Here next we will go with the next page, that is 152. It is living together. Minnie and Mehul live in a bungalow with their parents. So where do Minnie and Mehul are brother and sister. So where do they live? They live in a bungalow. So in a bungalow. Bungalow. Their surname is address. Surname is Sibbles. Sibbles. Sibbles and another family is Mishra. The other one is Mishra. One is Mishra's family. Mishra's family. So, Mehul and Minnie belong to Sibbles family. The Sibbles are a small family. Why they are a small family? In the last year you have studied about my family. So you have studied about the families also. marriage. So most all the time what happens when female child born in her parents' house, she has until she gets married, she'll have the father's surname, and when she gets married, she'll get the husband's surname. So most of women change their surname after marriage. A surname is a family name. It is an identification for the family. Okay? It shows to which family a person belongs. It is written after the name. So where do we write the surname now? My name is Sheetal Gomani. This is Sheetal Gomani. Where do I write my surname? On the last. That is after my name. I have written the address after my name. So you write your surname after your name, and the middle name is also written is your father's name. You have to write completely. The father's name is written in between the first name and the last name. All families have a family name. Each and every family has a surname to identify that particular family. With your surname, write your surname. Here you have to write your surname on page number 153. Write your surname. Write the surname of 3 of your friends. You write your surname, and if you have friends, write the friend's surname also in the blanks where it is given on the page number 153. So Mr. and Mrs. Sibel's parents are Minnie and Mehul's grandparents. So here you can see the grandparents of Minnie and Mehul's grandparents, that is Rupa Sibel and Mohit Sibel. Here you can see Minnie's mother's grandparents, that is Uma Kaur and Rakesh Kaur. They are maternal grandparents. And the mummy na appa amma, ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಪಪ್ಪನ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿ. In Hindi it is very easy. Father's parents are called as dada dadi, and in mother's parents are called as nana nani. There you can differentiate very easily because they are identified by the different names, dada dadi, nana nani. But in Kannada, ajja amma ka ajji ajja, even you can differentiate. Yes. So Arun Sibel, Kirti Sibel, father, mother, and Minnie and Mehul are their children. Both Arun and Kirti Sibel have brother and sisters. They are Minnie and Mehul's aunts and uncles. Their children are their cousins. So what do you call your father's brother? Father's brother ಏನು ಕರೀತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಪ್ಪಾರ ತಮ್ಮಗ ಅಥವಾ ತಮ್ಮಗ? You call as uncle. Father's sister, auntie. In Kannada you call as kaka, and father's sister is called as atya. Father's parents are called as ajja, amma, ajja, ajji. Mother's brother is called as mama. Mother's sister is called as auntie, mama, ಅಥವಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ. ಹೌದಾ? Mother's parents are called also as called maternal grandparents. So this is all about the today's class. So let's meet in the next class. I would like you to complete the worksheet part, and please send the homework to my WhatsApp number. It's a request because I am not receiving any homework from the children. So it's my kind request. Please update your homeworks. Okay? Thank you.